Hey everyone, Jason Schaub with Overland Cookery. I'm here with Hitchfire today. We're doing some tailgating, and I'm gonna be preparing one of my most luxurious burgers. It's a Bacon Brie Burger with a apple slaw and caramelized onions. It's gonna be fantastic. Look at all the marbling in there. This meat is superb. So brie is fantastic on burgers because it's so melty and luscious, but it can be a little bit rich too. So I'm gonna pair it here with a apple slaw with a little bit of stone ground mustard and red wine vinegar. It's gonna cut through the richness of the cheese and just complement the flavors really nicely. I caramelized these last night. It's one of my favorite tricks when we're tailgating because you don't have to worry about caramelizing onions for 2 hours when you're out here. You just want to have a good time. Do this at home the night before and it brings big flavor